Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style country farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style country farmhouse decor blends rustic charm with nostalgic elements, creating a cozy lived-in feel. It emphasizes warm, neutral tones, antique auto-stress furniture, and natural materials like wood, linen, and iron. It is a style that celebrates the simplicity, history, and comfort, making a home feel both welcoming and timeless. Vintage style country farmhouse decor. This decorating style is a perfect mix of rustic simplicity, nostalgic charm, and cozy elegance. It embraces the beauty of aged time-worn beaches while maintaining a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Inspired by traditional farmhouses, English cottages, and countryside homes, vintage style country farmhouse decor is all about comfort, authenticity, and character. Key elements of vintage style country farmhouse decor: weathered and distressed finishes, furniture and decor with chippy paint, reclaimed wood, and patina and vintage character. Use whitewashed or distressed furniture pieces, give a well-loved antique feel. Antique and repurposed pieces, flower market finds, thrifted treasures, and family heirlooms enhance authenticity. Vintage kitchenware like animal pictures, old skulls, and messengers makes perfect decor accents. Use old doors, windows, and shutters can be creatively repurposed into wall decor. Soft and neutral color palette, whites, creams, soft pastels, and earthy tones create a soothing atmosphere. Vintage style country farmhouse decor is a warm and inviting design aesthetic that combines rustic charm with nostalgic time-worn elements. It draws inspiration from traditional farmhouses, English countryside cottages, and vintage European influences, creating a cozy, well-loved look. This style is perfect for those who love the beauty of aged furniture, antique accents, and a soft, neutral color palette. Core features of vintage-style country farmhouse decor: distressed and weathered finishes, aged and repurposed wood, furniture with chippy paint, and whitewashed or patina finishes. Use reclaimed barn wood, antique doors, and vintage shutters. Add a rustic yet elegant touch. Use old metal finishes like old iron, galvanized tin, and antique brass enhance the look. Use neutral and muted color palette. Use soft whites, creams, beiges, and pastel hues like pale blue, shush green, and blush pink. Earthy tones such as taupe, warm browns, and soft grays, add depth and warmth. Subtle floral or gingham prints and linens, curtains, and upholstery complement the color scheme. Vintage and antique-inspired furniture. Farmhouse tables with turned legs, spindle-back chairs, and wooden benches. Use upholstered chairs and shades in natural linen or floral fabric. Repurposed cabinets, buffets, and hutches used for storage and display. Cozy and layered textiles, coiled crochet throws, and ruffled pillow covers for a soft, inviting feel. Use lace, linen, or cotton curtains that allow natural light to filter through. Use jute jug, variated jugs, or faded Persian style jugs for warmth and texture. Rustic and handcrafted decor, handmade pottery, ceramic vases, and oven baskets add an additional touch. Old iron candle holders, vintage clocks, and enamel pictures enhance authenticity. Formed in a spot wall-eyed old sign and traced botanical prints for character. Open shelving and vintage storage solutions. Wooden shelves displaying antique dishware, glass jars, and art baskets. Use vintage trunks, cradles, and wicker baskets used for stylish storage. Wall-mounted plate racks and peg rails for displaying kitchen essentials. Use natural and botanical accents, fresh or dried flowers in old pitchers, glass bottles, or tin buckets. Use houseplants like lavender, rosemary, and ivy in vintage pots or clay planters. Botanical prints, floral wallpaper, or child patterns for a romantic farmhouse feel. Nostalgic lighting, candelights with distressed metal or crystal accent for elegance. Use pendant lights with vintage style Edison bulbs or metal shades. Wall sconces, table lamps with truffle shades, and lanterns for soft lighting. How to achieve the look? Mix old and new. Incorporate genuine vintage pieces with modern reproductions to balance authenticity with practicality. Shop secondhand. Flower markets, tip stores, and antique shops are great places to find unique farmhouse treasures. Embrace imperfections, time-earned finishes, natural patinas, and handmade elements add charm and character. Keep it cozy, layers of textiles, warm lighting, and personal touches to create a welcoming atmosphere. Vintage style country farmhouse decor is a timeless and charming design that blends rustic simplicity with nostalgic elegance. This style is deeply rooted in the traditions of countryside living, where homes are built with practical, durable materials and furnishings had a well-loved heirloom quality. It embraces the beauty of imperfection, highlighting antique finds, handcrafted details, and cozy textures to create a warm and inviting home. Key elements of vintage-style country farmhouse decor use timeless and neutral color palette. The color scheme in this style is soft, muted, and inspired by nature, creating a peaceful and harmonious environment. Base colors, whites, creams, bases, and soft grays for a fresh, airy look. Accent colors, muted pastels like shades green, dusty blue, blush pinks, and buttery yellow. Natural hues, warm browns, ordered oud tones, and terracotta for added depth. Displays and aged finishes. Vintage country farmhouse decor celebrates the beauty of oil and aged. Furniture and decor often have a time-worn look, achieved through techniques like distressing and whitewashing. With chippy paint and own patina, gives furniture and accessories an old-world charm. Reclaimed wood, used for tables, shelves, and flooring to add character. Antique metals, old iron, galvanized steel, and brass accents complement the rustic aesthetic. Antique and heirloom inspired furniture. Farmhouse furniture is practical, sturdy, full of charm, often passed down through generations. Farmhouse tables, large wooden tables with turned legs or trestle bases. Hatches and sideboards, perfect for displaying vintage dishware and collectibles. Spindle and one-stop chairs, classic country style setting with an old-fashioned appeal. Iron and brass bed frames, delicate yet sturdy designs, add a vintage touch to bedrooms. Cozy and layered textiles, soft inviting textiles are essential for creating a warm and lived-in feel. Crochet and lace accents, used for tireless table runners and pillow covers. Gingham, floral, and tall fabrics, found in curtains, cushions, and bedding. Beaded and open rugs provide warmth and texture, often in soft faded colors. foils and throws, handmade or vintage inspired, they add a cozy and personal touch. Rustic and handmade accessories. Decor in this style focuses on handmade and repurposed elements that add a touch of authenticity. Vintage kitchenware, mason jars, animal pictures, old skulls, and rolling pins as decorative pieces. Rustic wall art, old barn doors, wooden signs with script writing, and botanical prints. Repurposed items, old crates for storage, antique windows as wall decor, and tin buckets for planters. Open shelving and display storage. Farmhouse style storage is as much about beauty as it is about function. Open shelves and glass front cabinets display everyday essentials in a charming way. Mason jars for storage, perfect for dry goods, spices, and even fresh flowers. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.